Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturally Ads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning June 27th to the 3rd of July using this Cabana kit from CaressPress, and I'm also pairing it with this foil from CaressPress in rose gold, and I love that her rose gold is pinky, so it kind of worked out perfectly for this kit in my opinion. I of course color blocked, and it was pretty much all pink, so I wasn't really picky with the pinks that I used. And then there was 2 columns of green on Thursday and on the sidebar. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. That's about it. I think I'm just going to start with telling you the day by day. And of course there's another plane. Sorry about that. So in the sidebar, that Malik was getting super duper big. So I used this lovely sticker from Paper and Milk. And I noted that it was week 19 of my maternity leave, with the week 19 script from PMD Stickers and a maternity leave sticker from Bella Plan. Words are hard, my apologies. So starting with Monday, I noted being Tired AF with a pillow icon from Carly Plans and a Tired AF script from Happy Sticker Designs. If you don't already know, I do PR for Happy Sticker Designs, so use my code ADIATI15 to get 15% off of your order and my foiled freebie. And then noted filming my hair with a comb and scissors icon from the foil bundle, possibly, or from an old CaressPress foil bundle, and a film hair script from Adobe Game Designs. I then noted taking pictures of my hair with a camera icon from the foil bundle. In the extender, I noted having some breakfast with a bagel sticker from Carly Plans. I noted watching Twilight with a Sweet Ava's Paper character and a movie night script from the foil bundle. I then noted watching the second Twilight movie with a GP Studio girl binge watching something. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from an old CaressPress foil bundle. Then I noted that my husband was playing his video games with a Make Plans pig sticker and a Babe Gaming custom script also from Make Plans. And then finally I noted watching some Love Island with a popcorn icon from Carly Plans. On to Tuesday, I noted being tired AF the exact same way I had on Monday. I noted being annoyed with a This Is Boo sheet sticker from Sweet Ava's Creations, I think. No, from Bubba Bear Studios, maybe. It's from a freebie. I then noted having some breakfast with the bagel sticker from Carly Plans. Next, I noted editing some videos with a computer icon from CaressPress foil bundle and an edit script from Planner Face. I noted pulling some stickers with a Stick with a Planko Girl and a pull sticker script from Tilly Journals. Then I noted filming a Plan With Me with this Also Paper Girl. Next, I noted watching the third Twilight movie with another Sweet Ava's Paper Girl and a Netflix binge script from CaressPress. And then finally, I noted watching more Love Island with the Carly Plans popcorn sticker. Moving on to Wednesday. On top of Wednesday, I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from the foil bundle and a binge watch script also from the foil bundle. I then noted that Malik was super close to crawling with this crawling sticker from Papershire. Next noted that he moved up in a size for his nappies with this diaper sticker from PMD Stickers. Then I noted a FaceTime call with his dad. Why was he FaceTiming his dad? Who knows? I don't know. I don't have my notes with me, so I don't know what it means. But this is a FaceTime sticker from Olive Studio and a With Papa script from Tilly Journals. So in my head, that means that he FaceTimed his dad, or no, I maybe recorded a video of him for his dad to see. Something like that. Then I know it doing some planning with a Also Paper Girl and a planning sesh script from the foil bundle. I next noted that he said mama clearly for the first time and like quite directed at me with the same mama script or sticker from PMD Stickers and a Malik script from Make Plans. I then noted watching the next Twilight movie, which was probably 4, with a PNG sticker girl and a Netflix binge script from the foil bundle. I noted that my husband was gaming with this pick sticker from Make Plans and a babe gaming script also for Make Plans. And then I noted watching more Love Island with this Carly Plans popcorn sticker. Moving on to Thursday. So at the top of Thursday, I noted being super duper tired with a pillow icon from Carly Plans and a tired and exhausted script from Happy Sticker Designs. I noted watching the 5th Twilight movie with a popcorn sticker from Paper Candy Art. I then noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner sticker from Paper and Milk. I next marked a Starbucks run with a takeaway cup sticker from a CaressPress foil bundle and a Starbucks run script from SBC. Next I noted looking at nurseries with a backpack sticker from Carly Plans. Noted calling our estate agent with a phone icon from CaressPress. Noted getting some takeout with a burger sticker from Paper Candy Art and a takeout script from the foil bundle. And then finally I marked watching Love Island with another popcorn sticker from Carly Plans. On to Friday, so it was the 1st of July, so I noted Hello July with these balloon icons from the foil bundle and a Hello July script. I noted that it was my mother-in-law's birthday with this cake sticker from Fox and Cactus and a happy birthday script from SBC. I then noted FaceTiming her with this emoji sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a With Grandma F custom script from Tilly Journals. Then I noted playing with my stickers with a sticker sheet sticker from SBC and a play with sticker script from Carly Plans. At the bottom of the day, I noted doing some memory planning with this Also Paper Girl. I then noted watching Chicago Fire with this Stuck in You Designs character and a Chicago Fire script from Pink Down the Planner Co. I noted being in my feelings with this crying sticker from Olive Studio and in my feelings script from SBC. And then I noted watching more Love Island with a popcorn sticker from Carly Plans. Moving on to Saturday, I noted sleeping in with a bed sticker from Carly Plans and a sleep in script from the foil bundle. Then noted that it was my dad's birthday with another cake sticker from Fox and Cactus and a happy birthday script from SBC, and then I just put a dad script from Planner Hannah there. Then noted FaceTiming him with a phone sticker from GP Studio, I believe, and a With Grandpa script from Planner Hannah. Then my husband went out, so I noted that in my planner with this Make Plans boy sticker. I noted cuddling with my baby with this Paper K sticker and a Cuddle Malik custom script from Tilly Journals. Then noted having some brunch with this sticker from Carly Plans. No, this is the SBC one, so that's from SBC. I then noted missing my husband with this Munchkin sticker from What's With Love. I noted another Starbucks run with a old sticker from GP Studios, I believe, and a Starbucks run script from SBC. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner sticker from Paper K. And then watching more Chicago Fire with a TV icon from CaressPress and a Chicago Fire script from, what is it called? Pink Diamond Planner Co. And then I noted that Malik had a late night and went to sleep quite late with this baby sleeping sticker from Paper K and a late night script from Planner Hannah. Finally, on to Sunday, I marked sleeping in again with a bed sticker from Carly Plans and a sleeping script this time from Planner Hannah. Noted that Malik was with his dad with this P&D stickers character and a With Papa custom script from Tilly Journals. I noted Plan With Me binge with a planner sticker from Paper K. Then I noted that it was a lazy day with this couch sticker from Planner Hannah. No, Planner Fate. No, I'm so sorry. The couch sticker is from Carly Plans and the lazy day script is from Planner Hannah. Next, I noted Malik having some tummy time with a Paper K kid doing tummy time and a tummy time fan custom script from Make Plans. I noted some mummy sun time with this sticker from Paper K and the script is from Adorably Amy Designs. No, from Sweet Ava's Paper. I noted cuddling with Malik with this PMD stickers character and a Cuddle Malik script from Tilly Journals. And then finally I noted watching more Love Island with a popcorn sticker from Carly Plans. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this spread. I'm going to show you guys what was left of the kit and I'll show you guys a bit of a wiggle and that's the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye.